paint? Through that gate and then back there to here.
We have to rethink our tyre pressure strategy. Welcome to the Gentleman's Motor Racing Team, where we are competing in motorsport as a fun experience, and we're probably unique as most of our sponsorship is through crowdfunding from lovely people like you. Your support, as always, is hugely appreciated. Thank you very much. Welcome to another episode of the Gentleman's Motor Racing Team. This video is not about the Rally Mini, although we are getting it ready for the Jersey Rally in October 2025. Woo, probably the most ambitious rally we've ever done. In fact, we've got some t-shirts on offer. Check them out, look. Woo! If you'd like a t-shirt, they're 25 quid. If you don't want postage, maybe you could pick them up at IMM if you're going to IMM. Anyway, this episode is about us competing in the Ignis at the Isle of Wight Car Club forward only auto test. So enjoy the video. Until next time, ta-ta for now. Class 5 then, mate. Class 5 with me.
Yeah, and everyone else by the looks of
Yeah, I
it.
think so, yeah. So you're going for knobblies on the front?
Yeah.
And slicks on the back. Go on then, what's the theory with that?
20 psi in the front to give me some steering, 35 in the back to get it to slide.
Ooh, nice. Oh, we might have to think about it. We have to rethink our tyre pressure strategy.
Right, Joe, that's knobble, isn't it?
Yeah, slicks on the back, knobblies on the front. We've got brand new set of knobblies on the front, look at that. And a worn set of knobblies on the back. See, we went the other way around, haven't we? We've gone harder on the front, softer on the rear.
Yeah.
Well, we'll see how it goes and we'll make some changes if we need to. You got a trophy, mate?
Yeah, a bit late now.
Go on then, what was that for?
Class 3 sealed surface, second place.
Nice.
Maybe I'll actually win it next year, but I don't know.
You might keep it.
Second place is the first loser.
Oh yeah, that's, yeah, thanks mate.
Who's this in 2016?
I know, look.
Oh, and
And
2017, there you go.
I bet Dad
Oh,
was
look, there's me
I wouldn't be
again.
surprised if Dad was ahead of me in those years. Any on the back? No. Oh yeah, there is. Dave Goodwin.
2014.
Give us a tour of your car then. Oh, it's got a shopping list on it. Eggs, milk, butter, bread.
Fiesta ST back box with Focus ST rear tips.
I like it. Right, are you playing with your knob, sir?
I'm playing with my knob, sir.
Have you always had a knob, or is this like a new thing?
No, we've always had knob.
Have you?
Yeah.
So what's it? Were you just tightening it up, or is it been
Putting
off?
it in because it hasn't been in this one yet.
Oh, okay. New car, new knob.
Taken from the last car, put in this car.
So you're a fan of the knob?
Yeah.
Malcolm stewardess force. You don't like my decision. That's Malcolm. Rob, chief marshal. Adam, where he is, safety officer.
Know where you're going?
We know where we're going.
Any idea?
Know where you're going?
No.
No. You're writing pace notes, mate.
Good idea.
Easy left, easy right. Caution.
It's through that gate and then back down to here, isn't it? To these two down there. you've never tried forward only auto testing, you really should give it a go. It's so much fun. You can do it in your daily driver and it's so cheap. All you need to compete is a Motorsport UK RS Clubman licence. There's no test and it's completely free. You need to be a member of a Motorsport UK affiliated club. For example, the Isle of Wight Car Club, it's only £30 a year. And the events that we run on the Isle of Wight, you get 6 attempts at the course and it only costs £20. I'll leave a link in the description below. Compared to stage rallying, it's an absolute bargain. On that note, we're trying to enter the 2025 Jersey Rally in our Mark II Classic Rally Mini. As you'll often hear me say, we're kind of unique because most of our sponsorship is through crowdfunding by lovely people like you. And our latest crowdfunding venture is a raffle to try and raise funds for our entry into this Jersey Rally. If you can spare a tenner, why not enter the raffle and win some of these amazing prizes? All the proceeds from the raffle help us get a little bit closer to stage start. If you can't afford to enter the raffle, don't worry, we still appreciate your support. And one of the best ways that you can help us out is just to click that like button and maybe subscribe to our channel. filming you filming Car Club.
This one running 225 standard, is it? Or?
Got remap.
I can't disclose what power
Mate,
we're running on the
is
frame.
that per lesson paint?
Your car's looking very clean, mate. Do you clean it?
Clean
Wash
car's
it?
got a win, innit?
Driver number one, driver number one.
Oh no! It's that big chunky passenger you've got. That's what it is. Yeah, that's right.
There's less of me. What are you on about?
Go on, tell me a story about your car. Who broke it?
Andy did. I don't know what happened. I got it back, it had a flat tyre and I had to come marshal.
Ah, I'll go and investigate. Andy, tell me a story.
Leaking. Looks like the rim's got a little bit of there's a bit of a leak. We're losing air, so
It's not holding
just
pressure.
trying to see, I'll put some, just making sure there wasn't a stone in there and just blowing it back up, so.
Couldn't see nothing.
So what, all the dust?
I come through it, come round the cone. I looked
Oh, is that
up.
the 180 at the bottom?
No, so you've done the 180, then you come back and go back up. the top.
Yeah.
And there's that cone to the top in front of the marshal.
Yes, yes.
Didn't know where it was. I was trying to look for the marshal, and because all the smoke, all the dust is going that way.
Of
It
course.
appeared. I was like, oh, there it is. I was like poodling along.
Not very angry.
Good course, sir. Honestly, it's a really good course.
Thank you.
Yeah. Flows nice.
Very good.
Fast bits, slow bits.
Technical, still technical.
Technical,
bits.
yeah.
That's what we want in an auto test.
Yeah, exactly. You winning?
Not yet.
Go on then, what have you done?
Popped the tyre off the rim, bit of bead sealer, fixed it.
Two seconds off your time.
That's doing the camera thing. It puts pressure on me in a good way.
It's the story of the day, isn't it, Tyres? What's been going on then?
Two in one go, look. Not bad, is it? Look at this.
Woo!
No
What do you reckon?
no damage.
Is it the ruts or low pressure or a combination of the two?
I think it's a combination of the two, definitely, yeah. Low pressure, big ruts, but you might go back up.
Power steering pipe went on the manifold.
Ah, tell me a story, mate.
Well, that was it. Power steering went on the manifold. Set fire, print, and half peeled.
Let's see if we can rip the rear end off of the micro, shall we? That's right, we can help and do that. We'll push it.
Push it. Oh, you were wondering whether it's time to retire it or not.
Yeah, I think that's it. 4 years out of it, I think we've had enough.
We've got to jinx it so we've got the right things right.
Good day.
That was a handful. Yes, still getting used to this new engine, that's the problem.
It's alright, it's all learning, isn't it?
Oh yeah. Lots of clutch kicking, lots of revving, lots of like sliding.
Yeah, it looked happier, didn't it, at the back end?
We both said it handled a lot nicer.
Yeah, you just got to get used to it now.
It wasn't slidey as in like, oh my goodness, the
Just
back
nice.
end's out. It was just like, it's not,
Yeah.
the back end's not, pogoing, if you know what I mean. So, yeah.
So I can see where you was.
Yeah, we hit every cone on the way round, but Marshall didn't see anything.